Hello, happy YouTubers! This is Marcelina at cashiergreens.com. I have another interesting episode for you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest method how to propagate lime tree from cuttings. Stay tuned. If you grow citrus lime from seed, takes longer period of time. It takes 10 years for the tree to mature and be able to produce fruit. Meaning I have to wait 10 years for this lime plant to be able to harvest fruit. That is a long period of time. So if you want your citrus to produce fruit in a year or so, your best way is to either graft the tree from established parent or earlier your citrus or grow from cuttings. So this is the result of the citrus that I took from clipping when I did my pruning. These are my lime trees producing fruit right now. So this is the result. This is 2 years old plant. Within 3 years, this lime is going to produce flower. Now, if you want your citrus to bear fruit in a year, like the parent, then your best way of propagation is to either earlier the plant or graft the tree because it's already in that matured phase. So what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to show you how to propagate lime tree from cuttings so you can have tons of lime trees. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. sweet as apple pie. It was not hard, right? Easy breezy. You can do it. All right, requirements. Before you take cuttings, make sure your plant is hydrated. You don't want to take cuttings that the soil is media is dry. So water first. That's what you saw me. I watered the plant first before I took cuttings. Now the size of the bronze, you can take cuttings the size of a pencil, but sometimes you don't get that size. So it's okay if you get a size like this one here. So I will close it to you. Just like that size, you take the cuttings and then you can root that cuttings. Now when you cut the cuttings, make sure you disinfect the wound, and also your tools has to be sterilized. You don't want infection coming in and infected your plant. So those are important requirements that I would recommend you guys to stick with it. So I remove the leaves, 45 degrees angle. So the reason why you cut 45 angle, so it's easy for the water to absorb in the stem. And I use Clonix to speed up the rooting process. You don't have to use rooting hormones if you don't want to, but to aid the rooting, so it's best to use artificial hormones. And I recommend to use Clonix. Clonix is very effective as opposed to other rooting hormones. I use the Clonix all the time. That is most of the popular rooting hormones that majority of the commercial, commercial plant culture or commercial growers, they use that because it is very effective. So I link that product below this video. Check it out. So if there are things that I don't mention here that it is important, comment below, then I will go over that in the next video. So this is for today, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, give it likes. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have been subscribed yet. Join the family, Cashew Greens, and also share this video to all of your friends. Now, before I depart here, would you guys want to see the result? Yeah? Alright, let's check it out. It takes 3 weeks, guys, to root the cuttings. And it is not the same as the Propagating. It's only takes 14 days, and not even 14 days, maybe less than that. So we're going to take this out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so cute. The problem is that hopefully this plant, when I remove it, doesn't die on me. Don't die on me, okay? I just want to show you root because they want to see it if you are rooting. There you go, guys. Ooh. Hopefully. So I have to be careful. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Can you see that? See the root? See, that's so cute. That's so cute. Look at that. Awesome. Look at the new leaves here. So 3 weeks. So this is it, guys. So cute. It's nice to have a lot of citrus in the garden. Don't stress out, alright? Hopefully I don't stress my plant out. You'll be okay. You think you'll be okay? Alright, guys, so thank you for watching. This is Marcelina at Cashew Greens. Stay greens and grow big. Peace out.
Wow. Siempre un perdón, no te mentí. Ya no hay nada que me asombre. Malo porque siempre confío en ti. Yo te conozco, solo el nombre. Me dice